Tamashiro's right now. We're gonna grab some poke and just have a little snack. It's the morning, so we just left the hotel and we don't really have plans today, but we're just kind of chilling.
Yeah, let's go right there. Oh, to show you?
Yay. Okay. We just got the goods. Tamashiro spicy ahi is my favorite spicy ahi. Okay, let's feed these doggies. What's she doing? I'm at my dad's house feeding his doggies right now, but there's a car over here that I want to show you guys. So this is my dad's 1995 Suzuki Carry K truck. He got it not too long ago. He traded it because the last time we were here we drove his Honda Acti K-van that he had. But look how cute this is. He even made custom racks for the back. So Hawaii is one of the places where a K-van or a K-truck actually makes sense because one, the speed limits are really low here, and also everything is so close together that you don't really have to drive more than probably 15-20 minutes to get to where you're trying to go to. So it's a perfect car here.
Searching out chase good waves before.
So pretty.
Been driving around every coasting shore. I admit that I get tired chasing highs, but being in the ocean seems to help me to remind why I keep doing that. Trying to catch a chance to make you mine. When you're beaming in the sunrise.
So this is Kulolo and it has Haupia flavored ice cream. So it's kind of like a taro coconut pudding at the bottom, and it tastes so good with the ice cream. Me and Blaine got married right here. Are you swimming? Oh, look at this. I haven't seen one of these machines in forever.
Actually, we can do half palm of the spicy. No, that's it.
Thank you. It's okay. So we just got Giovanni's. We're at Hollywood Boat Harbor. We're gonna eat right now.
No, they had
This is a super good combination. It's coconut, vanilla, and banana.
we stay at the Musubi place. Getting breakfast, best kind.
And to see what we got. How many did you choose?
We're all sharing.
Oh, we're gonna share them? Okay.
Yeah, we're gonna share everything.
First off, I got Hawaiian
Strawberry guava.
nectar.
Salmon, chicken, salmon, nori, kombu, pepper, regular, and the unagi one.
Unagi. Oh, does it also have spam in it?
Yeah,
Ooh.
we can all sample.
Okay. It looks like it's a good rice to spam ratio. Okay, this is the salmon and nori one. This one is good.
Which one is that? 7?
The unagi. Watch out, don't let the unagi fall down. Good.
My girl, she doesn't break any rules. My girl, she's the sweetest in school.
We're at Ho'omaluhia right now and we're feeding all the fishies and the duckies.
She knows that I love this fool. Come on. When I get to crazy.
Edit that out. Edit that out.
Oh, we just made it back to the car. That was such a hike. That was crazy.
Why are you tired already?
Why are you done?
Yeah, I'll be down to go back down there again if you like. Oh. Oh, no, it's because it's hot. It's 85 degrees. Okay, we're gonna check out the lookout area. I'm tired.
We're now at the
Twinkling stars in the sky.
Wait, I had this.
Reminds me of your pretty eyes when the sun sets in white night.
This is literally like my backyard, guys. I live like 5 minutes from here. This is where I grew up. You know that? It's crazy. If you had an option to move back to Kaneohe or live in Pro City,
Ooh, well, that's a hard one. I'll move back to Kaneohe. Which one would you move back to?
Kaneohe, I guarantee all day. That's a nice view. Think about it.
Yeah.
If you just look at it. Oh, this is where we act like we're looking at it?
Yeah.
Sweet potato and kale is gross. Look at that. I thought it was decoration. But I thought it was decoration, but it's not.
Oh, you don't like local food?
Local food. Local broad is not eating kale and
Sweet potato.
sweet potato.
We just stopped at Food Line to grab a couple of things, and we went to my grandma and my grandpa's grave because it's out here in Kaneohe, and there's a food spot called Adela's that we want to try out, so we just got here. Can we do the number 2, the taro pasta with
Okay,
shrimp?
taro pasta, the coconut cream sauce.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We had to wait about half an hour for the food, so they just called us and said that it was ready. So I'm gonna go pick it up. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
You
you.
have a good day.
You too. Got it.
Got the good? Mm-hmm. Oh, it smells so delicious.
So we got the taro noodles with the garlic sauce, shrimp, and mushrooms. Mmm.
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
It's so good. Hard to beat this now. It's so good.
It is, huh?
It's like thick and creamy. It's so flavorful.
We also got ube cheesecake with macadamia nut crust.
Is it macadamia or is it shortbread?
Oh no, yeah, shortbread
This is
crust.
the shortbread crust.
Good or alright?
I like it.
Really? Okay, I want to try.
It's not too cream cheesy. It's not too sweet. And the crust is crunchy.
Really?
Which I like. Yeah.
Isn't that good?
I like it a lot.
Mmm.
Yeah, it's not too cream
Yeah,
cheesy.
it's not too cream cheesy. It's really light. It's a really light cheesecake.
Yeah, you would think that would be way too much cream cheesy flavor.
Yeah, and not too sweet.
It's a perfect texture.
It has the perfect amount of ube flavor, and then the shortbread cookie crust. That's a good combination. I just want to keep eating it.
Anyway, I don't know if Christine showed you guys, but we're at the pier right now. We used to come over here cruise, or I used to come over here cruise at late at night, bring our cars, and we would just hang out. Hawaii is getting a lot more busier with tourism and stuff, and which is a good thing. So this place is kind of crowded now, but they filmed multiple movies here. Parts of the Caribbean was here, and the Jurassic Park was also here as well. She's not gonna save any for me, I guess.
No, here. After this bite. Then you pounded that. That's all you left for me?
You was just pounding that.
Oh, you pounded that whole thing.
Adela's is mean. If you guys like pasta, I don't like pasta too much, but I thought it was pretty mean. So definitely worth the checkout.
My girl, she doesn't sleep.
3, 2, 1.
My girl,
Oh, my stomach is full. I can't do it. Hold it. Are you sure?
I promise. That's easy.
That's easy.
I didn't even go like this yet.
Can you believe we used to drive this every single day?
So ugly that car. It was cool.
If I get